Hello my dear friends, welcome in class 6 mathematics class. Today we shall solve the problems of exercise 3.7. Number 1. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Solution. The required weight has to measure both the weights of 2 bags. So the weight must be exact divisor of the weights of 2 bags of fertilizers. Moreover, the capacity should be maximum. Thus, the maximum weight is the HCF of the weights of 2 bags. So HCF of 75 and 69. It found as follows: 75 divided by 3 equal to 25, 25 divided by 5 equal to 5, 69 divided by 3 equal to 23. So 75 equal to 3 into 5 into 5 and 69 equal to 3 into 23. So the common factors between 75 and 69 is only 1, 3. So HCF of 75 and 69 is 3. Thus, 3 kg is the maximum weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer in exact number of times. Number 2. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? Solution. The distance covered by each one of them is required to by the same as well as minimum. Thus, the required minimum distance each should cover in the lowest common multiple of the measure of their steps. LCM of 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm. LCM of 63, 70 and 77. Here 70 is divisible by 2. So if I divide with 2, 63 is 63, 70 divided by 2 equal to 35 and 77 is not divisible by 2. Now divide with 3, 63, only 63 is divisible by 3. So 63 divided by 3 equal to 21 and 35 and 77 will remain as it is. Now 35 is divisible by 5. So 35 divided by 5 equal to 7. 21 and 77 will remain as it is. 21 is divisible by 3. So 21 divided by 3 equal to 7. So and 7 and 77 will remain as it is. Now 7 and 77 all are divisible with 7. So 7 divided by 7 equal to 1, 7 divided by 7 equal to 1 and 77 divided by 7 equal to 11. Now 11 is divisible by 11 and 11 divided by 11 equal to 1. Thus LCM of 63, 70 and 77 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 7 into 11 equal to 6930. So minimum distance each should cover is 6930 centimeter. Problem number 3. The length, breadth and the height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest step which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. Solution. The HCF is the length of the longest step which can measure length, breadth and height of the room, because HCF is the common factors which can exactly divide the length, breadth and height of the room. Now we have to find HCF or highest common factors of 825, 675 and 450. 825 is divisible by 3. 825 divided by 3 equal to 275. 275 is divisible by 5. 275 divided by 5 equal to 55. 55 is divided by 5. 55 divided by 5 equal to 11. 675 is divisible by 3. 675 divided by 3 equal to 225. And 225 is divisible by 3. 225 divided by 3 equal to 75. 75 is divisible by 3. 75 divided by 3 equal to 25. 25 is divisible by 5. 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. Now 450. 450 is divisible by 2. 450 divided by 2 equal to 225. 225 is divisible by 3. 225 divided by 3 equal to 75. 75 is divisible by 3. 75 divided by 3 equal to 25. 25 is divisible by 5 equal to 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. So 825 equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. 675 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 450 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So HCF between 825, 675 and 450, what factors are common? 1 3 is common, 1 5 and 2 5 is common. 1 3 is common and 2 5 are common. So 3 into 5 into 5 equal to 75. The HCF highest common factor of 825 and 675 and 450 is 75. So the highest length of the tape is 75 centimeter, which can measure the length, breadth and height of the room correctly. Number 4. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. 6, 8 and LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is divisible by all 6, 8 and 12. So we have to find the LCM of 6, 8 and 5. If I find 6, 8 and 12 is all are divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2 equal to 3, 8 divided by 2 equal to 4 and 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. Now 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. So 3 will remain as it is. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2 and 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Now here only 2 is divisible by 2 and 3 will remain as it is. 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. 3 and 3 is divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. 1 will remain as it is and 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. So LCM of 68 and 12, LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 24. Now I have to find the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. If I multiply 24 with 4, I will get 96. 96 is a 2-digit number. 24 into 5 equal to 120. 120 is a 3-digit number which is the smallest number, is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So 120 is the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Problem number 5. Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Now solution. First of all we have to find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. 8, 10 and 12 all are divisible by 2. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4 and 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. 5 will remain as it is and 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. So LCM of 8, 10 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 equal to 120. Now we have to find the greatest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. 120 into 8 equal to 960. 960 is a 3-digit number. 129 equal to 1080. 1080 is a 4-digit number, so 120 into 8, 960 is the greatest 3-digit number, which is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Problem number 6. The traffic digit the traffic lights at 3 different road crossings changes after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at which time will they change simultaneously again? Solution: they will change again simultaneously after LCM of 48, 72 and 108 seconds. Now we have to find the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. 42, 72 and 108 all are divisible by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24, 72 divided by 2 equal to 36, 108 divided by 2 equal to 54. 24, 36 and 54 all are divisible by 2. 24 divided by 2 equal to 12, 36 divided by 2 equal to 18 and 54 divided by 2 equal to 27. And now 12 and 18 are divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2 equal to 6 and 18 divided by 2 equal to 9 and 27 is not divisible by 2, so 27 will remain as it is. Now 6, 9 and 27, so all are divisible by 3. 6 divided by 2, 3 equal to 2, 9 divided by 3 equal to 3 and 27 divided by 3 equal to 9. Here 3 and 9 are divisible by 3, 2 will remain as it is. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1, 3 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3 equal to 9. So LCM of 48, 72 and 108 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 equal to 432 seconds. 432 seconds equal to 7 minutes. 7 into 60 equal to 420. 420, if I minus 420 from 432 equal to 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So the traffic lights will change simultaneously at 7 minutes 12 seconds past 7 am. Problem number 7. 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of the container that can measure the diesel of the 3 container exact number of times. Solution: the HCF of the capacity of container can measure the 3 container in exact time. 403 is divisible by if I find HCF of the 403 and 434 and 465, 403 is divisible by 13. 403 divided by 13 equal to 31. 434 is divisible by 2. 434 divided by 2 equal to 217. 217 is divisible by 3 and divisible by 7. 217 divided by 3 equal to 31 and 465 is divisible by 3. 465 divided by 3 equal to 155. 155 is divisible by 5. 155 divided by 5 equal to 31. Now 403 equal to 13 into 31. 434 equal to 2 into 7 into 31 and 465 equal to 3 into 5 into 31. Here HCF of 403, 434 and 465. Here only 31 is common, so HCF is 31. So 31 liter container can measure the diesel of the 3 container in exact number of times. Problem number 8. Find the least number which can divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves remainder 5 in each case. Solution: LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is divisible by each without any remainder. Now LCM, if I find LCM of 6, 15 and 18, the LCM of 6 and 5, 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 equal to 90. Now if I divide 90 with 6, 15 and 18, I shall get no remainder. So if I have to find remainder 5, I have to add 5 with 90. 90 plus 5, 95. 95 is such a number which leaves remainders 5 if I divide with 6, 15 and 18. Number 9. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Solution. Find LCM of 18, 24 and 32. LCM of 18, 24, 32. In this procedure, I shall get LCM of 18, 24 and 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 equal to 288. Now the 4 digits number, smallest 4 digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32 is 288 into 4 equal to 1152. 1152 is such a number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Along with it is the smallest 4 digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Number 10. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Number A 9 and 4. Number B 12 and 5. Number C 6 and 5. Number D 15 and 4. Here all the numbers are co-prime number. There is no common factors except 1. So LCM of co-prime numbers is the multiple of the numbers. So LCM of number A 9 and 4 is LCM is 9 into 4 equal to 36. And number B 12 and 5, LCM of 12 and 5 is 12 into 5 equal to 60, and LCM of C 6 and 5, LCM is 6 into 5 equal to 30, and number D 15 and 4, the LCM of 15 and 4 is 15 into 4 equal to 60. Here the common property of all LCM is all the numbers are multiple of 3. Problem number 11. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. In case of finding LCM of the two numbers in which one is the factor of other, in that case the biggest number is the LCM of two numbers. So problem number A 5 and 20, LCM is the bigger number which is 20. Number B 6 and 18, 6 is a factor of 18, hence LCM is 18. And number C 12 is a factor of 48, so LCM is 48. Number D 9 and 45, 9 is a factor of 45, so LCM is 45. I hope all of you understand the problem, how to solve the problems. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel to get regular update.